For most of us, it's been a calm weather day across west central Texas. Like I mentioned in the newscast last night, though, I'd be keeping a close eye on the dry line, see if storms could form along it. And that's what happens, brought impactful storms north of Interstate 20. Not nearly as impactful as we saw for your Tuesday night. Saw some quarter-sized hail, maybe a little bit larger, and some 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. You can see the storms earlier this evening formed east of Lubbock and moved right across the Fox West Texas viewing area. Now any of those storms much weaker, just a little bit of rain east of Woodson in Young County. Any activity we're seeing right now, it's going to continue to dissipate. We're going to again be keeping an eye on that threat for storms Thursday afternoon. For most of us, it's a very low end risk, 1 out of 5 east of Abilene, east of San Angelo and Sonora. You'll notice that 2 out of 5 slight risk. It's still relatively low end, but I think there's a little bit better chance of storms forming from Benjamin northeastward. Any storms we see Thursday have the potential to, again, produce that quarter-sized hail and some gusty winds. Tonight, though, no storm concerns. Thursday morning, heading out to school and work. Might see a little bit of cloud cover around thanks to increased moisture. By Thursday afternoon, that's when we could see those storms form in the Concho Valley and the Big Country. Better chances, though, going to be staying off to the east of our viewing area. Of course, if any watches or warnings get issued for our viewing area, we will be sure to let you know. Hail and wind looking to be the main threat for our area. As the sun sets Thursday evening, it looks like things are going to calm down. And then late Thursday night into early Friday, a cold front's going to move into the area. And with that, we're going to see kind of a cluster of showers and thunderstorms form across the area. Similar to your Thursday, though, some of those storms could be on the strong to severe side. Quarter-sized hail and some gusty winds. I'm keeping an eye on it. We will be starting May in west central Texas, which typically is our most active month. Now, of course, that's not a forecast in and of itself. It's just a trend that we've observed over the years. So just continue to stay weather aware. Most of your Thursday, though, I want to emphasize, we look to be staying storm free. It's actually going to be on the cool side waking up. I'm forecasting a low of 56 degrees heading out the door. And some folks might be seeing those high temperatures in the 90s Thursday. Friday, you see that very broad 1 out of 5 marginal risk again. Threat for some gusty winds and some quarter-sized hail. San Angelo right now, we're west of the dry line that brought in the very dry air. Makes it feel pretty pleasant outside. Still fairly warm though, sitting at 80 degrees, maybe just a little bit of cloud cover. Not really helping out with those temperatures though. 71 for folks in Big Lake. That little cluster of storms that moved north of Interstate 20 brought some rain-cooled air, which making it almost 20 degrees cooler for folks in Scurry County than Tom Green County. So folks in Snyder, you can go to bed tonight knowing you are quite a bit cooler than San Angelo and even cooler than Abilene, sitting at 71 degrees. Weather impact alert in effect for Thursday evening. You'll want to stay weather aware, especially with any of those outdoor plans. Remember, when thunder roars, goes indoor. Officially forecasting a high of 91. Cold front, though, and the storm's going to make it quite a bit cooler for your Friday. I'm going with a high of 78, high of 75 for your Saturday. 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms for your weekend. Overall, looks to be mostly dry. Can't completely rule out a storm, though. High of 74 Friday. Lots of storm chances for the beginning of May. Some of those storms could produce heavy rainfall, and that could lead to flash flooding. You can always find the full forecast on our website and the latest by following me on social media. Also, you don't see it on the bottom left part of your screen, but I did recently create an Instagram at bmusallwx. You can follow me there for weather updates. Bert?
On